So in this video, we're gonna see how you can use PolyBuzz features in PolyBuzz. If you are to use PolyBuzz instead of others, what are you going to be doing? Okay. Now, after signing up, PolyBuzz looks like this. Okay, and you can try to scroll up. It will kind of just refresh. I love that it can easily refresh. Okay, which is unlike in some other AI chatbots. So here is chat. You can see sort of your chats. You can click on a plus to generate. Let me log in as my Gmail. Okay. So when you log in with your Gmail, an account will be automatically created. Okay. Let me just give it that. Okay, Darius, get started. I'd already actually done a simple sign up. Make sure you leave on public show if you want your profile to be public. If you don't want it to be public, you tick off public show. So if you want to create a character, you just have to click on plus. My gosh, I think it's coming. Okay, so this is chat section. There is this. Tell me a choice. This is more like fake news or something. Then there's a profile here. You can edit your profile from here. You can change your names, you can change your gender, you can change your bio from here, something like that. This way you can see your ID. Maybe you're in chat and they ask you for your ID, you can put that ID. Okay, characters created, they come here. So if you haven't created any, you can try to go here, then you create one, create now. If you want to create your own character, you can create from here. Okay. All right. So that is it. It's a simple interface. You can, doesn't want a ticket. Let me click on best friend Emma. Hi. Let me send this. That was so embarrassing. They think we are dating already. Okay. So there is okay, whatever that one does. You can refresh. Then these icons. You can restart the chat. You can see the history. You can delete the chat from here. So kind of this one gives you so you have to tick on the chat that you want to delete. Okay, you may not be able to delete the character chats, but I see you only have a possibility to delete your chat. So kind of delete. Anyway, if you delete yours, okay, I think even hers goes. So that is it. So then you can start chatting again. So that's how you delete chats here. So generally it's simple, just as like other AIs. Okay, so if you're kind of a person who is into this, you can try this out. Might create character icon. For some reason it's not responsive on this device, but this is where you create actually characters from. Okay, I'm sure you're using your phone, so you can just click on, can go to your profile and go under characters and you kind of click on create now, or you just click on this plus. So that's it, guys. Deleting your account. Let me try to go to settings. Settings is this icon here up top right. Settings, under settings is language and all of this. There is account, it's here. Okay, account deletion, you can click on this, then you can delete your account. I'm going to delete this account because this is just it was a test account. Okay, so that is it, guys, about PolyBuzz. It's simple and direct. And if you're interested in videos like this, you can subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.